Bluetooth connection success.
All right, another video, 206,005 million miles. All right, so today I'm installing a sway bar after trying to get the sway bar installed from the company Ibach, which has been discontinued. However, do not fucking worry. Nolathane makes a very stout, solid bar that is easily gettable. You can get it on, I think Amazon sells it. Fuck Amazon. And I think also Jegs and Summit sells it. So there's the comparison there. Clearly much bigger. It's a 22 millimeter versus the stock 16 or 17, whatever. I'm about to install it now. I had no idea if this is actually going to fit, which was quite worrisome, as I just decided to buy it for the hell of it. This is your link here for the brackets, which do come. They do come with the kit. Some nice shit, really good quality urethane. And then these are your end links there, where the bolt is exposed. So, yep. Next is going to be this absurdly stupid pea shooter exhaust, which I cannot stand. But, and I feel like just trying to take this stupid muffler off, too. Shit's gotta be like 40 fucking pounds of just bullshit. And I'm sure it's not too loud because it's got a resonator right there. But yep, this is it. This is the install for a new sway bar for the rear. See how this thing goes, and see you in a little bit.